Dearest heart, do not underestimate the power of your intuition and the guidance of your higher self to guide you in the right direction. Remember the importance of practicing self-care and keeping your vibration high at the moment. Do not allow any outside influence to bring you down. Think before reacting. The changes you are making will reap huge rewards for you in the long run. Keep moving forward with courage, strength, and determination. Beautiful soul, you have got this. Remember, not every detour in different direction is a bad thing. Sometimes you need to get lost so you can find yourself again to realize exactly what is for you, what is not, and what is you should be doing. Don't be hard on yourself. Take the lesson for what it is and send it love. It's never too late for a new beginning. Get yourself back on track, stand strong, and keep on going. Thank you all. Subscribe the channel.